And they hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. We dey talk am say every weekday from 10 go reach 11 don turn Christmas. Sake of say all the topic where they comot smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement, we dey carry and come as the thing they comot all the fire. Make yourself chook long spoon inside the matter. Discuss am as e dey hot so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as it concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers. We don't carry that Ogbonge this thing coming our way again. That Ogbonge program coming our way as e dey hot. And then on today's edition, we do the look. We look the gang what go happen between the senators and the ministers where they do it, where they nominate, where Oga Buhari don't tender say he want make now people we won't work with now the gang action. Now we go look out for today. Today will be Tuesday. I will go open our phone line for now to also do it for now to also chook my may also be in mind say Oga Buhari don't do it. He don't also release he don't also send the second list. So now we make with anticipate waiting and waiting will come out from that one. When that time reach, we will talk about it. My name is Asi Change. My name is Nkubi, and this now E Dey Hot.
We no go waste time. As Nkubi don't talk, our Oga Presido yesterday gist come out, and the Senate President confirmed say he received a letter, that is envelope, when we say names of alleged 15 people there inside to complete the 21 when he sent before, making them 36 ministers when he go work with inside Obodo, Nigeria. We dey wait on the Senate President when time reach, make him tear the envelope, read out the names when they inside, so that Nigerians, our mind go come down based on the balance we know they talk about. Say we need youths to be ministers, we need more women to participate for government, so that everybody go bring their knowledge enter inside government to move this our country forward. But today, October 13th, na very special day, sake of say since September 30th, when Oga Presido don send the names of 21 ministerial nominees go give our Senate people, we don't dey wait for this special day. Our senators them, that is the 109 people, but in this case 108 people when we say we elect to represent us for the top level for legislature, they go come and the ministerial nominees go come before them to stand to answer some kind questions. The idea na to get the very best and bring out the best out of these people, so that indeed the work when Mr. Oga Presido talk say they go do, they go fit do the work. But some people don't come and come talk say some of the guidelines when we say our senators they don't talk say they go drop, say it be like say somehow now to block some people to enter. Other people come talk say whether the thing they constitutional or you know they constitutional. Take for example, every state get 3 senators, but they don't talk say at least 2 of the 3 senators must agree say yes, so this person now from our state we accept them, and the person go fit come stand before the Senate to answer questions. So people don't argue say not be waiting our constitution talk with that. Say make our senators them make they no come begin they behave like say they won't carry law come from another place to use arrange this level. But what we they believe in, they say as our senators them they sit now the interest of Nigeria now in their mind. Even though we don't see some kind backyard movement of quarrel based on say it be like say one political party they no sabi waiting they do for that place, we believe say they go do and well and they go move this our country forward.
Yes, that basically to do and well and to do it to move the country forward now everybody they crave for, and that is why the process to do it to screen the ministers go kick off today, and we'll also get to know who and who will make up the second list of this way they send. But you could somebody be a few people don't talk something say look say people say the first list way Oga Buhari send. Because people don't they talk, not be me they talk more. I don't know. You understand? People they talk and say now compensational list be the first phase of a list where they send. But say this one, say for this second list, blessing a lot of new faces, new people now in day for this one. Maybe if they talk about new people, we go to say this majority of these people we allege say go feed day for this list are people where we say will be attend will go screening for this thing for this thing. DSS office go answer query to, you understand. So make we they anticipate, they look at whether now so it go eventually play out. Those people who will be here rumors say yes, then go DSS office go check go answer this thing. Make we know whether now so it go eventually turn out to be na another abracadabra level where they see them from.
Well, the most important thing I say make the level be one when we say every Nigerian go fit beat their chest, talk say okay we get people when we say they represent us. because one of the arguments now say we get situation when we say some of the ministries that they overlap, that is that they do the same thing. This one they do the work when this one they do, and they can't encourage Oga Presido, even though he don't talk and say okay, based on say we need to save costs, we need to save money, make we cut down on the way when they do things, and everybody agree say yes, now the right way to go. But if we check the people when don't come out already out of this 21, can't check the states when we say some of these people don't come out from. Some of the people when go the ministerial, when go the screening for DSS office, it go hard for them to enter, because if we talk say we won't get 36 and every state will be represented, some people don't already they cancelled out already. Take for example, Oga Femi Falana, they cite am for DSS office. He come from Ekiti State. Kayode Fayemi don dey there already, and we know if we get 2 states at the same time. If we talk say,
except if
every state go dey represented.
Except under appointment you will give.
But it not be ministerial appointment.
No, under appointment fit dey now.
But anyway, if na under appointment, you don't need go DSS office now, because the first people when we say in name, they no go DSS office. The idea to go DSS office now to check say okay, see the way when we say things dey. But our own belief now say Oga Presido, he know say okay, Nigerians really believe say we need to move our country forward. And moving our country forward now to work with people when we say then they go concentrate on the job. Some people don't come at us say get people when we say they get a case against them. Take for example, former governor of Rivers State, APC governor Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Lagos State, APC governor Babatunde Raji Fashola. They don't already link their names to some kind of dirty things.
If they talk like this, na PDP people, now you want me to put for the ministerial.
Nobody they talk about PDP. So
why can't they? No. The way they talk, hold on. The way they talk, they make understand as if these people say they don't, the crime with them, this way they accuse them of, say that they guilty of them. And you can't even attack the political party. They emphasize and say APC governors. What do you mean? You know that one?
Simple question. There be ex-governors, there no be ex-governors.
We all know see them be ex-governors.
Then which party then they?
Must you mention the party?
I don't understand why you say. Which one is must I mention the party?
Must you mention party?
Nkubi, are you a card-carrying member of any party?
I am not.
You are not a card-carrying member of any party.
Not.
Is Governor Rotimi Amechi a card-carrying member of any party?
Why asking me that?
No, he's either saying be or he no be. He be or he no be. He be. Which party? Not be APC. Is there anything wrong with me coming to say APC? I don't understand. Nigerians.
They like picking on issues.
What if he picking on issues?
They like pick on issues.
Is it not an issue?
If you mention Rotimi,
no, is it not an issue?
If you mention Rotimi,
you just even talk at me and say, "Shey na PDP governors na they go appoint." Meaning say, even if we get people when we say then they qualified on the other side because of say they know they that's what you are saying. Chukwudi. No, that's what you are saying.
On our own era don't pass.
That's what you are saying.
On our own era don't pass.
It's not about era.
Now own time don't pass.
This is the era for Nigerians.
Allow the people in place
this is the era for Nigerians. Nigerians must move for a united country. Why you they always like to separate? Why you always like to separate this country? Whether you like him or not, everybody know now.
You know the
yes, no.
No, I'm not going to take that from you. Of all things, no, the text is separate. What are they do?
Which one be what you there they do?
Of course, what are they do?
The only, since November 10th, when this show don't start, now only 6 times you don't talk truth on top of this show. And I go counter. And the 6 times when they talk truth, because say, all our callers, them, they call, they fire you. Say, Nkubi, you know the truth, you know what talking. Every time we talk, you go just the corner. Now, so yesterday, I won't start with security word. You say, why I won't start with security word? They command me to start with one particular story. Nkubi, tell Nigerians, who are you afraid of? Why are you afraid of the truth? Even the Bible talk and say, ye shall know the truth. And the truth shall do what? You don't even feel complete. You see? Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall do what?
Listen, I don't warn you. And I don't know. In fact, I don't warn you. But I say this, that I will eventually take and pass now. You just they pick. I they talk and say they pick on me.
I take the pick on you.
They pick on me.
Because I speak the truth.
Program.
Because you run away from program. Because you are running away from the truth.
For since we don't launch November 10 last year, reach down. Only 6 times I don't talk truth for this program. Aren't you a liar?
No, baby, they count the truth.
Oh,
you know the you know the truth when you talk now.
With you because Nigerians are there watching. Our viewers there, they watch and they know the truth and nothing but the truth. They go also feel stand. You don't even talk as if you know the people they call.
Which one be people when they call?
People when know say yes, Nkubi 247. truth and nothing but the truth.
6 people. Out of the 6,000 people who don't call us since November 10, 6 people don't just call say, and the only reason why they support you now say, make it not be like say you are alone.
You see why they don't
be like say you are alone.
You see why they don't feel carry political appointment against somebody like you?
Why they don't feel give me political appointment?
Lie full your mouth.
How lie they full my mouth?
In fact, I don't know what you get for school. She have first class to get.
How lie they full my mouth? No. How lie they full my mouth?
If they give degree, they give bachelorship. I'll give you degree for this thing. For liarship.
How lie they full my mouth?
6 times.
How lie they full my mouth?
6 times.
You are a liar. Now your name Gongo supposed to be the lie. You understand? Lie. If I just say your son name no be Muhammad, we don't know how we go take do am. But now you go they lie. Now you they lie.
No be the truth wey at the talk change government.
Which truth you dey talk?
No be the truth wey will start on this platform.
Nkubi,
we take change government.
On election day you vote.
No be the truth.
No, on election day you vote. No, on election day you vote.
No, ask me that kind of question.
You vote.
No, ask me that kind of question.
Therefore, house they chop buns, they drink mineral. You come here, they talk say this thing. Don't let me expose you. Yes.
No be here.
When we go out.
No be here we register. Don't tell me that rubbish.
You are who register.
No be here we register.
Where?
After all, we just that day.
Where you register?
No be here we register. Via here.
Where you the point? Where be VI?
VI, no VI.
You the point and go Ikeja. They say no be here we register. Where you register? No be here we register.
Go election day.
When we the Nigerian youth go outside, go stand say make we do this country where.
Indeed.
Where were you?
In fact, you just shown. You just shown how replicant your bunch of lie is. You don't show say you be headquarter for lie. Now what you don't show now? Headquarter for lie, and we need to establish that office for you. Say headquarter headed by Chukwudi Ezugwu Cypriel. Now be the chairman, now be the chief executive officer, now be the everything of this lie company. That is what you are.
So you don't open new ministry because of me?
Yes, now. And for your sake, at least you can afford to run into it because you are good at lying. Ministry of Liarship, headed by Ezugwu Chukwudi.
Why you call they call my name, they vibrate?
No, I mean, now how strong the ministry they and how strong the person where they handle them, how strong it they when it comes to the responsibility where they play out to lie.
Just respect yourself now.
We get John all the way from Owerri. Oga John, talk to us. He is the headquarter for liars.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga John.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are they this morning?
We dey try.
We dey fine.
Now, is that the Minister of Liar you want to give Chukwudi this morning?
Of course. I go create that office for him.
The topic where they grant. Well, today night I want to screen the ministers, yes. Mr. President bring out. But the issue, the criteria for screening them today, I know it's a welcome development in the sense that it's good for them to come out to declare their assets. But for a 2 senators from the state to stand them, I don't see them as a welcome development because some of those senators will see it as a kind of political interest. Some go say, okay, are they PDP? This one they say, I can't support somebody on the APC. Look at what is happening in Rivers State now. There's no how, there is a 3 senators representing PDP in Rivers State, now standing for Chibika Amechi. They will fight against him, which is very bad.
Yes, John,
So my concern concerning this second list to our president talk, I was expecting a change. Maybe if our president were a less person, even though it's not from PDP or APC, even though it's from PDP, but let that person be somebody that Nigeria will stand for. That is what my support this morning.
Okay, John, thank you very much for your opinion. And just as you talk, make I actually pick out one to say, for 2 senators to talk, say, look, okay, now then go approve or not to approve the appointment of a particular minister. Then to me, I feel say you get a point because since you know the constitution, say this law they in place, say senators, now then go do it, now then go give access, now then go fit talk, say this person they good, they know they good. Why bring it in? Oga Chukwudi, all the way from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Yeah, Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Oga Chukwudi, we greet you. Good morning, sir.
Yes. I want to mark for this ministerial screening today.
Okay.
You see, there is nothing wrong for 2 senators to endorse a minister from their state.
Okay.
You see, we are talking about a minister of Federal Republic of Nigeria, not a minister of a state. He's the Minister of Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you know, this work, they divide them. The president go appoint the nominees. He go finish. He go send them to Senate. Senate go begin the confirmation. How they want to confirm them, no be business of anybody. Now, exclusive right of the Senate. If they choose how they go do them, like their business.
Okay.
So if they choose saying two senators go endorse a minister, I don't see anything wrong about it.
But Oga Chukwudi, you see, the growing fear we say, with the oppositions we will get in place for the Senate, and with the kind issues where they between these two major political parties, so you notice say something like when shorting go they say no, make we just spoil the plans of these people, make we not allow these people enter, make we allow make them bring in somebody with the neutral and all that, because now those are the big now the fear where they get with that.
Yes, let me answer you. No be PDP senator, Seb Saraki, no be APC senator, become Senate president.
True.
On what ground? On the ground say
excuse me, let him talk. Excuse me, let him talk.
PDP personal.
Hold on, you are wasting his time. Let him talk.
Okay.
Let him talk.
We don't pass this level of parochial politics. We don't pass level of this political divide. You see, we're talking about national interest. This is Nigeria for you and I. I don't see a senator, let's say from Imo State now, a ministerial nominee from Imo State, who cannot lobby his way before the two senators to get endorsement. That means he's unpopular. If that person cannot find his way for the two senators to support, that means he's an unpopular candidate, and he's not going to mean way for Imo State. So the senators have chosen the way they want to screen. It's their business. Let's allow them to do their job. But one thing I'm telling you is that nobody is going to use any political whatever to witch hunt anybody. Okay. If they do, it's wrong. But I don't think that is going to be the order of the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Chukwudi, for that contribution.
I like the way you take thank him, call in name. Thank you very much.
What? Say your name.
No. Thank you very much. What? Oga Chukwudi.
Calling us from Owerri, not your own Chukwudi.
See people they contribute.
If it is not your own Chukwudi,
see people they contribute.
Parochial. The mention parochial. See if you understand what parochial mean. I better go sit down. Oga Daniel, talk to us, Jerry. Good morning. They tell me say make I allow and talk. Say this. Mind yourself. Good morning, Oga Daniel. Daniel calling us from Ekiti. Good morning.
Why the call go enter when you attack me first? No, why the call? Daniel just look say, why? Attacking an innocent man, a man of truth, a man of equity, a man of justice, a man of fairness. Now me hang up. You don't see him? You don't see him?
No, see, when I said you are good at lying, you hear, I take note the reaction of Daniel. You know what I immediately say make it talk in credit finish.
Oh, so you they say Daniel no get money to buy credit?
No, he can afford to go and buy credit, may he call us back.
Oh, so you they talk say even na 2 naira he use call.
You see the two talk so they talk different. You are bringing from the point of view of a liar.
You are very parochial. You are very what?
Tell me what parochial means.
Thank you very much. According to what Oga Chukwudi talk, if you join the statement together, when he talk, say, now it's basically about the interest of Nigeria. Say we don't pass the level of parochial politics. Everybody understand what parochial mean. If you don't understand, I understand. Beg me to tell you, not the command me to tell you.
Beg you.
Oga saw you from worry.
You are very
parochial.
You are parochial.
You are parochial.
In fact, you are a double parochial. Don't tell me, you don't use that kind of time for me. Oga saw you. Good morning, Jerry. Parochial you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga saw you.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Soliu.
Yeah. Chukwudi, Nkubi, I beg, I want to make you help me have Chukwudi. Is it only a match with Fashola native Nigerian money? Now only 2 of the thief Nigerian money will be every day I match matter. What of this our data state governor Odaga where thief money run come out from this country? Because I match is involved into the politics. They make every day they will say I make thief money. Not only thief money for this country. Why not talk of other people?
Oga Soliu, you agree say somebody thief money? Oga Soliu, so what you they try talk be say even though he thief money, but so long as other people thief money, make we not just focus on him alone. But there is a thief involved. There is a thieving money involved. Oga Soliu, why you contradict yourself? This is parochial. No, it's parochial. Because you don't talk say in other people thief money. So because of say one person thief money, make we leave person when thief money. Is that the kind of Nigeria we're talking about?
Nah, Chukwudi, every day. Only in Nigeria. Now only everybody thief.
Make it take her easy.
Oga Soliu.
In fact, wait, I understand the point where they bring her from. But either they make just say, in case, maybe put them alleged, say it's still money or now that. No, no, say yes.
You see yourself, you don't even know how to even put them. Oga Soliu don't even confuse you the more.
No.
What thing will they talk be say? You don't need to come out and say,
listen to me.
Share only a thief money, because they use one crime, they justify another crime.
Listen very well.
No, Oga Soliu, you have confused him now.
As long as they never come out, they find out guilty, say he is still money, he is still innocent.
Now his statement, I mean that they carry fire you.
Alleged.
Now his statement that they carry fire you.
Now make me put alleged inside the matter.
Allow me to go break. Allow me to go break. Quickly, make we quickly rush, go this break. When we go this break, come and we'll continue our discussion. As
you don't go break when I talk.
You are a parochial human being.
You don't go break when I talk.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.